Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. Trieste's regional government has unveiled plans to redevelop the Barcola waterfront. The project is now open for public consultation online.
Trieste regional government has unveiled plans to redevelop the Barcola waterfront, expanding public access to the sea and strengthening defenses against erosion and rising tides. The project, now open for public consultation online, includes new breakwaters, beaches, and pedestrian paths, with bathing areas set to grow nearly sevenfold.
In Friuli Venezia Giulia, beaches are packed, even as much of the country sees quieter shores this summer.
Resorts like Lignano Sabbiador and Grotto report strong August crowds after a rainy July slowed the season. Operators say modest increases, or not at all, have kept demand high, even as some tourists still feel the pinch. For now, the region has defined a national trend.
A team of Italian and Slovenian researchers has unveiled the results of a cross-border initiative aimed at improving rehabilitation for stroke patients through the use of innovative technologies, including virtual reality.
A partnership between Italy and Slovenia, linking doctors and researchers from Trieste and Capodistria, is shaping new therapies to make post-stroke rehabilitation faster and more effective.
Our collaboration was mainly based on organizing what we call bed rest study, investigating the physiological modification and adaptation of humans.
Let's say that we used novel technologies in two parts within the bed rest study. So we tested the headset, the virtual reality headset, for a pure mental training, and we were successful. So we were able to reduce the loss of muscle strength during the long-term immobilization.
The Gulf of Trieste will host the inaugural Italian Offshore Sailing Championship on August 27 and 28, marking a new chapter on the city's tradition with this sport.
Trieste sets sail into history. The city will host the first ever Italian Open oversea double-handed championship from August 25th to 30th, a major milestone in offshore sailing presented today at City Hall. The event brings 29 top national and international teams to the Gulf of Trieste, competing in demanding inshore and offshore races with two-person crews. Organized by the Società Triestina della Vela, the championship reflects Italy's growing role in high-performance sailing and positioned Trieste once again at the heart of the sport.
So it's the first edition of an Italian championship of this category, and I think that these are proud for Trieste and for Triestina della Vela to host this important event here in our Gulf.
È un evento importante perché è un evento velico dove la città di Trieste è molto sensibile a quello che avviene sul mare, e anche perché è la prima volta che succede questa cosa, quindi un campionato italiano per equipaggi di due persone.
This weekend, Friuli Venezia Giulia has once again welcomed travelers from across Europe, underscoring its growing allure on the international stage. Many visitors have chosen Friuli Venezia Giulia this August.
I'm from Hungary. We are now on a family vacation, and it was a big plan for us to visit Italy, especially Trieste this year.
I'm from Perth, Australia.
And where are you guys from?
We're from Holland.
Holland. We decided to go to the Dolomites and then make our way through back to Holland, and then it's on the way, and we're like, ooh, it seems really nice and beachy, and yeah.
We are on our way to find apparently a very good gelateria here. So he couldn't wait. He's already had some gelato, and we are on our way to find another location. So that and lots of pizza.
This is not your first time here.
No, we are neighbors, so we are often here in Trieste.
What do you like the most about Trieste?
I like the atmosphere. Atmosphere is great, and I like the people, very nice Italian people, fashionists. So, and of course I like aperitivo at 5 o'clock. You can drink everywhere Aperol Spritz and eat something, try something Italian. So we really do like Trieste.
Where are you from?
Canada.
You?
New York.
South Africa.
Canada.
Because we wanted to have a good time. That was it. We all like live kind of in New York, and then that's his cousin, and then so we all decided to just hang out.
And
And beautiful, and the food was very good.
Is this your first time here?
First time, yes.
How much are you liking it?
Oh, I love it. 11 out of 10.
Both of you. And how come are you visiting Trieste? I imagine it's not your first time here.
No, we're having like a day trip. We're staying in Piran, and then we just went here by bus.
I'm from Germany, so we are from Germany. We stayed in Austria, and then we wanted to go to Italy, and we saw that Trieste is the nearest city which has a beach, so we went here. It's really pretty. There are nice cafes, and the ice cream is really good.
I don't know. I don't know much about the city, but it looks very beautiful. It has like an Austrian vibe, like with the buildings and everything. But I'm looking forward to the pizza.
We are from Poland. Our friends recommended this place, and it's, I think, cheap option and nice to visit.
I'm from Bolivia.
Wow, and how have you chose Friuli Venezia Giulia to visit and from so far away?
I came to visit a friend. She lives here for a long time, and I said, why not?
And have you liked it until now?
Yes, I love it. I love the buildings, and I love the energy at night. It's beautiful.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.